Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Another unusually cool day here in southwest Idaho. We're near the end of June on our afternoon highs. Our afternoon warm temperatures have only made it into the mid-60s. A big storm overhead and precipitation falling across much of the state. Lots of thunderstorms. Most of the precipitation right now is in southeast Idaho, but as we go up north, you can see all of the thunderstorms developing. Lots of dry lightning so far for our viewing area. Even in McCall, not much in the way of rain just yet, but don't expect that to continue as this storm system continues to swirl overhead. And what we are closely watching is this part of the storm right here. This is on the occluded front of this storm. And the question is, how far will this wrap around? And will it go down into the McCall area? And our computer model's kind of in dispute over how much rain will fall, but you can see what this shows, the heavy precipitation around the McCall area right around 1 a.m. and even north of McCall, more rain up in the Clearwater Mountains. It will be a drenching rain with our temperature getting down to around 39 at that point in Stanley. Snow will start to fall on those higher peaks, and there you see that snow moving through the Stanley area. By tomorrow afternoon, still heavy rain just to the north of McCall, more thunderstorms in that region, and rain here in the valley as well. Will likely start in the morning and continue off and on throughout the day tomorrow. By Tuesday afternoon, we're clearing up here in the valley, but still some showers in those mountain locations. And again, we could see those rivers really start to rise. Here's a pretty aggressive model showing the potential of more than 1.25 inches of rain in McCall. The National Weather Service in Boise going with a less aggressive model that's showing around 9/10 of potential precipitation. The area in red that you see to the north and east of McCall shows the potential of 2.5 to 4 inches of rain, water hitting the ground, and that could cause some severe flooding in some places. We're watching it closely to see what this storm does. There you see the official afternoon high for Boise at 71 degrees. That happened very early in the morning. We're 20 degrees cooler right now than we were at this time yesterday, 23 degrees cooler than this time yesterday in Ontario, and generally 20 and in some cases close to 30 degrees cooler. Here's a look at Payette Lake up in McCall. You see the dark clouds going overhead. We are seeing some lightning strikes in the area. Not much precipitation showing up on that loop. A good chance of rain, a high chance of precipitation for tomorrow right into Tuesday, Wednesday. You'll start to clear out. And there you see all that dry lightning happening in our viewing area. But again, not much precipitation just yet. We're keeping a close eye on the situation. Rain for tomorrow. Watch for those winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour once again. We could see some thunderstorms here in the valley in the afternoon tomorrow. West central mountains, drenching rain coming in. The farther north you go, the more rain is likely. Our afternoon highs only making it up into the low 50s in places like McCall after morning lows right around 40 degrees. Rain showers and again snow in the high elevations around the Stanley area, 6 inches possible at those higher elevations. And in the Magic Valley, some showers. That wind continues out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thunderstorms possible in the afternoon here as well. Our extended forecast shows the 58 for tomorrow. That's it, but 75 on Tuesday and Wednesday. We warm right back up, and Saturday, the 4th of July, we are back into the summer-like 90s.
Awesome 4th of July temperatures, I'll say.
Looking good.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Steve. Appreciate it.
You bet.
In a dry climate like ours, preventing wildfires is a year